All right, so welcome to Cluster API provider OpenStack office hours. We will abide by the CNCF code of conduct and all that. We are not many today, so I think raise hands is not really needed. Yeah, just the two of us. We'll see if anyone else shows up. And the agenda is pretty much just V1 Beta 2. I added question, is it time for new patch release? I have a feeling it's about time, but yeah. Do you want to start? What do you have to report on V1 Beta 2?
Yeah, so just before the meeting, I updated the managed networks PR with the fast tests. I saw that tests are passing. I triggered the end-to-end as well, the full test.
Nice.
What I found a bit weird, well, the managed network was failing. That was sort of expected, but also failure domains were failing the previous run, which you didn't hit.
No.
I have added a patch there because I think it was a difference in the round trip between nil and empty.
Okay.
But I did find it a bit weird. So I think I have it open.
Yeah, I will check it also. But yeah, these fuzzers are not deterministic and we don't run them. Well, I think we run them for like, is it 10,000 times or something like that? So we can definitely miss something.
Yeah, so I thought maybe that's the reason, but I wasn't 100% sure. I shouldn't be touching the failure domains in my PR, so I found it a bit weird.
Yeah.
I sent the link of the previous failing job. So if you open one of them, or is it more below? Yeah, you see, go more down. Where is it? Or is it in the, open the skip lines.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see both the managed network is failing, but also the failure domains.
Yeah. Yeah, this looks very classic. I don't know why I did not hit that. It seems weird, but we normalize these things for all the stuff, so
Yeah.
that sounds good. Probably I just missed it somehow. Good catch.
Yeah, other than that, yeah, the moment this is merged, I will switch to the managed routers one. There is two more easy changes that I can probably implement in a couple of hours, and there are a couple more difficult that need, a bit more thinking. So I'll do the easy first to get them out of the list, and then the last two should take a bit more.
Sounds very good. Yeah, I noticed, by the way, that this we have not closed, but I think we have everything, so we can close it.
So too. Yeah.
I will, yeah, because that was different. All done. Closing. I think we are, let me actually double verify. We have all that merged, but we should see somewhere in, where do we see this metadata? No, but this is not the determining thing. But we should actually switch this to V1 Beta 2. But I think in the E2E test, we probably have that, or I need to fix it. Where is it? Is it in data? Config? let's see.
But is that for
We see.
0.14 or 0.15?
Yeah, you're right. 0.15, 0.15. Yeah. But this one we should switch to V1 beta 2. It's not anyway. This is just read by clusterctl, but anyway, let's make it right. I will fix that up. Advertise V1 beta 2 contract in between tests. Yeah, I mean we had all that and then reverted, so should be easy to get back. But it's a bit weird when copy still supports backwards compatibility, so we don't really notice. But yeah.
Yeah. Then again, that allowed us to make the boo-boo and not have a major issue. But yeah,
Yeah. But if they didn't have it, then we we would have noticed
wouldn't
that
have
we didn't.
released. Yeah,
Yeah.
true, true. Anyways,
Yeah. I don't know if you saw this one. I realized because of the work we do in the Metal Cube project that this would be very nice to do at the same time. So Kapi has taken this Cube API linter and
yeah.
it is doing some, well, it wants to have some API breaking changes, switching between pointers and structs and whatnot. So I have started looking into that. Let's see if I can get it done. At least all the auto fixes we could take.
Yeah, I saw the Mara has also seen the ticket a while back. I'm wondering what the LinkedIn is gonna say.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I have a general question though, now that we are talking about it. We use a lot the optional dot string or dot pool instead of pointers that a lot of controllers use. Do you know why? I know Gopher Cloud also uses it, but yeah,
I'm trying to remember. I don't know exactly, but I think the point was similar to what this Cube API linter is enforcing, that um, you can see the difference between user left it empty and user explicitly set it to default value. I think that was the goal. Not sure if that is like applied everywhere and makes sense, but I think that
but
was the point.
the pointer is enough for this, right? Or am I missing? Because in other
Maybe.
controllers, they switch to pointers to basically capture user intent.
Yeah, maybe. Do you have a like example we can look? I'm not sure.
I don't have it fresh. I yeah.
Is it in the API
Yeah,
or
it's in the API. You will see it.
let's see.
If you open OpenStack cluster and just search for optional.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay,
Optional.
now we get on this. Now there it
Oh
is.
yeah,
So,
optional int. Ah,
now I'm changing this well again to optional int, but
hmm.
I'm not
Optional book.
100% sure, but I think the pointer is enough to capture user intent. Basically, if it's nil, the user has not set it, and then you have the false true for what he wants to do, basically, if he sets it.
Yeah,
But
it could be. It could be. I don't remember really. um, when we did that. Let's see if I can actually, can we find, but this was probably so long ago. Affects Go marshalling only. Okay, I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure myself either. It's just while I'm working on them, optional is it's a bit annoying now and then, all the casting you have to do and stuff like that.
Yeah,
I wasn't sure it's even required.
no, I don't think it's required, but yeah, I can't say I know why. But here
Yeah.
was at least a lot of it introduced. Oh well.
If I have some time, I might look into it. I don't know if I still want to remove it, but yeah.
Yeah, I will check also if this Cube API linter has anything to say about it. It has a lot to say about all kinds of stuff, so probably there is something.
Question about this because
Mhm.
in this merge request, or well, the pull request for this,
Yeah,
you have just added the linter. You have not started
yeah,
implementing all its recommendations, right?
yeah, exactly. I can actually add the autofix stuff here as well in this one. So then it makes a bit more sense probably. This is mostly just copied from copy what they
Okay.
have.
And are you gonna split it, like basically add the linter and then different PRs to start tackling the issues, or are you gonna open this up till the
Uh,
whole shebang is tackled?
no, I will at least split it like
Yeah.
after the it can autofix quite a lot, but after that definitely separate PR to do manual stuff.
Okay.
But yeah,
Curious to see how many things it finds.
if you uncomment this one, it finds 370 issues.
Ah,
then
okay.
then I'm not sure how many of them it can autofix, but I will find out.
370. Okay. So
Yeah,
this might be some work.
yeah, yeah. But many of them are, there are things like comments start with serialized version of the field name, like that
Yeah,
affects
okay.
everything.
Okay.
Yeah, but yeah, that kind of thing. Um, I'll try to get it done so we can do breaking changes as part of the API change.
Would be good, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Anything else? Do you have need or feeling for if we need new patch releases? I think it's roughly a month since last one.
Yeah, that was my feeling as well. I also checked the releases. We are on a month.
Yeah, 1 month. It's
Do
probably
we have like a monthly release schedule, or is it more?
not really defined, but I try to follow like after a month I try to check that how much has changed. Is there a point in doing another one? We have at least a few merged things on the branch. That's probably the most important Go version. Oh, yeah, but no, we don't really have like a we should do it every month or something like that. But if there are fixes that are relevant, I think it's good to push it out. Most of these are just dependency bumps, but some of them may actually have some like the Go version is always nice to get. But yep.
I think we could do one.
Okay, nothing more from my side. So do we stop here?
Yeah, I don't have anything else either.
Okay.
If you could check the managed networks, then I can pick up the routers more or less.
Yep, I will definitely review that. I cannot promise that I will do it today, but
Yeah.
this week I can. That I can promise.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for that, and see you in, I don't know, a couple of weeks, I guess.
Yeah. Yes. See you.
See you. Bye bye.